powder, powder. What? So I have to, wow. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, please do subscribe to my channel and join the gang, the double A gang. I'd really appreciate that. And if you are coming back, thank you so much. So today I am back with another challenge. Today's challenge is so much interesting, guys. So it's called spin the wheel challenge. Basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let this wheel over here on my phone. I'm gonna show you guys, and I'm gonna let it decide the order in which I'm gonna do my makeup. Like, I'm not gonna do it the way I usually do it, like start with my primer, my foundation and tonton, you know. I'm gonna let this app decide which step I'm gonna take, until I finish my makeup. So this is how the wheel looks. Here, as you can see, it has all the steps over here. You have your powder, your setting spray, your brows, your lips, like all the steps that you take when you do your makeup. You see over here. I hope you guys understand me, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spin the wheel over here, and then whichever step it lands on, I'll have to start with that step. Okay. Okay. Okay, masiqale. I'm so nervous. What if it starts with a setting spray okanye into ebheke ekuqaleni? But I'm also so excited. So let's get straight into the video. And let's go. Gonna click here. Woo! Child! What? Okay, it landed on primer. Okay. This is going well. So I'm gonna apply my primer. Ooh, I'm so happy. I hope ihambe kahle ke. Didn't grip. I'm using the Wet n Wild hydrating primer. But don't worry, I'm gonna write all the products I'm using on the description box down below. So if you want to see, just check the description box. Okay, we are done. Let's move on to another step. Okay, let's spin again. Start now. Okay, I spin the foot. Contour. What? Contour before my foundation. Okay, let's do it and see. I'm using my glow and contour palette from Scarlet here. Oh no, yini bengisancomiseza kahle. Okay. Okay. Aluyiva. Hey. What? What? No ways. Okay. Not bad. Wow. Wow. Wait, let's move on. Let's spin again. Powder. Powder. What? So I have to, wow, okay. My sense, I'm using my Revlon candid powder. But you use powder to set your makeup. Go kufana nomani ngafakwa makeup. Like what? What? Okay, I've got it here. And then this is where I apply my powder. But some people do start by applying powder before they apply their foundation, so it's not such a bad thing. Some people do it, especially if you have oily skin, so not too bad. What a joke. Right, we are done with powder. Now let's move on to another one. Lashes. What? Okay. 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 I hate it here. I guess the lashes. Okay. Let me go and apply my lashes. Sibon. So I am done applying my lashes. Those ones are going up. So let's move. Says in Kabazenza lashes. Let's spin again. Highlighter. Okay. Okay. Let me apply my highlighter. Using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlight. Okay, let's move. I'm done with highlighter. Concealer. Okay, let me conceal. Gonna use this warm honey and I'm gonna conceal my cheek here. Concealer on top of highlight. Aluyiva ndiyaqala. Okay, let me use a brush. Let me use a concealer brush. Yeah. Done with my concealer. Let's move. Let's move. Let's move. Let's move. Start. No, we are not starting here. Let's spin again. Eyeshadow. Okay. Okay, and for eyeshadow I'm using this Beauty Glazed Color Studio palette, my fave, and I'm just gonna go this pink shade over here. I'm not gonna do anything hectic, so I'm just gonna apply it all over my lid like this. Spin again. Setting spray. What? What, child? What? Okay, let me apply my setting spray. Hey, ayizoke ndiyibone mntakaba. Hey, let's move. Ooh, ndenzeni ngoku? Okay, let's spin again. Contour, I've already done a contour, so let's spin again. Blush, okay. Let's blush our face. And I am done with my blush. I look like a clown. Wow. Let's move. Lips, okay, let me put on my lipstick. Done with my lips. Wow, guys, ngathi ndiyirhorho. Andiyiclown andizokoyikisa abantwana. Okay, let's move. Let's spin again and see. Bronzer, okay. I'm done with my bronzer, as you can see. Let's move. Let's spin again. Eyeshadow, I've already done my eyeshadow. Let's spin again. Highlighter, sendiyenzile ke. Eyebrows. Oh, finally. Wow, okay, let me do my eyebrows. Child. Okay, done with my eyebrows. At least I look decent now. Wow, a little bit decent because child, what? Okay, let's move. Foundation, oh my god, oh my word. Wow, okay, foundation on top of all of this. I guess it's over clear one. Okay, masifake. I wish I didn't have to do this step, because actually my face doesn't look so bad without foundation. Actually, I look good. Then Alright, I just finished applying my foundation. Let's move. Primer, I've already done that step, so let's setting spray, I've already done that. Blush, I get. Let's spin again. I've already done most of the steps here, so what am I gonna do? Let me just remove all the steps that I've already done, so that ingazuphindela phaya, and leave the ones that I haven't done. So let me add it here. Hey guys, so I just realized but the only step that I'm left with is eyeliner, because I've already done everything else. So I only have here start and eyeliner, so there's no need to spin. I just have to apply my eyeliner, and then I will be done. So let me do that. I am done. I just applied my eyeliner, and I applied my, what is this, my highlighter. This step I should have done it when I was doing my highlighter, so that's why I just put it there. And I also applied my eyeshadow on my waterline. Otherwise, this is the final look, guys. I think I look I look decent actually. It's not bad. I look good. What do you guys think? I look good. Like into engahamba ngayo le, I can go run some errands. I can actually, right. I'm surprised, to be honest, because the way it was going, I was not sure. But I'm surprised. I am pleasantly surprised, to be honest. This is the look, and I'm not greasy. Yonke into right ihleli nge-order. Wow, wow. And Samhle, okay. I don't know if I should take off my duke and style my hair. Guys, we've come to the end of the video. I really enjoyed, I don't wanna lie, I really enjoyed shooting this video. Wow, it was so nice, it was so exciting, and I was so nervous at the same time. But I love it. I love it. Let me know, guys, if you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section down below, and let me know how you feel about the look, about the challenge. Just let me know anything that you want to say. Now on my side, I really enjoyed filming this. And I will see you guys on my next video. If you are not yet subscribed, please make sure you do subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Mwah.